Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a hands-on hacking demo using Kali Linux. We'll scan a vulnerable machine, find a known exploit, and use Metasploit to break into it. This is for educational purposes only. Always hack responsibly and only in lab environments. Alright, let's open up the Kali terminal and jump in. First, we're going to use Nmap to discover open ports on the target machine. The IP address of our target is 192.168.0.119. Let's run a simple scan with this command. Nmap 192.168.0.119. This will list all the open ports and services. As we can see, port 21 is open. That's FTP. Let's note that for now and go deeper. Now let's use Nmap's exploit script engine to see if it can detect known vulnerabilities. This time, our second target IP is 192.168.0.190.sudo. Nmap script exploit 192.168.0.190. Wait a few seconds for the scan to finish, and look at that. It detects that vsftpd version 2.3.4 is running on port 21. This version has a known backdoor vulnerability, which allows remote access. Let's go ahead and exploit it using metasploit.open Metasploit by typing msfconsole. Once it loads, we'll search for an exploit for vsftpd version 2.3.4. Search vsftpd 2.3.4. Here it is. Exploit, Unix, FTP, vsftpd_234 backdoor. Let's load it with use exploit, Unix, FTP, vsftpd_234 backdoor. Next, check the options we need to set. Show options. The main thing we need is the roasts, which is the target IP address. So we'll set it like this. Set roasts 192.168.0.190. Let's check available payloads. Show payloads. In this case, the exploit uses a predefined payload that opens a command shell, so we don't need to manually select one. Now, let's run the exploit. If successful, Metasploit gives us a session. We now have remote access to the target machine. Now we're inside. Let's verify by listing the files on the system. ALS, and there we go. We can see all the files and directories. Just to demonstrate control, let's create a file, then list again. ls, perfect, the target with Nmap to find open ports. We used a Nmap script to detect a known vulnerability, vsftpd 2.3.4. We then used Metasploit to exploit that vulnerability and gain access to the remote machine. This shows how dangerous outdated software can be. A single, untouched service can lead to full system compromise. Remember, this demo is done in a safe lab environment using virtual machines. Never attempt this on real systems or networks without permission. These tools are powerful. Use them to learn, not to harm. If you enjoyed this hands-on hacking demo, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. Drop a comment if you want to see more Metasploit or real-world hacking simulations. Thanks for watching, and stay ethical.